Yes, Rabbi?
Yes, go ahead.
Shabbat Tov. Rabbi, one of the questions I have is it possible for a Jew to be able to own a non-kosher business, for example, a non-kosher restaurant? And the example is they don't mix milk and meat together. It's just they sell non-kosher meat to the to the public. I don't know. And if they're allowed, to what type of people are they allowed to sell to?
So technically, for example, if a person would go like to a place when there are no Jews, some bad neighborhood, let's say, right? And they have this restaurant, and nobody knows that he's a second owner, right? So like he's an investor. Sometimes like there is an investor and a working owner. He's a chef, right? In that restaurant he cooks, right? And another just invested money. So maybe in this case it's not recommended, but I would say would not be prohibited. But if people know that he's a Jew and he's the owner of the restaurant, it's still HaShem. So and other people say, yeah, it's kosher restaurant. Why would say so? Oh, this Itzik with his big kippah, he actually goes to the restaurant. He goes from the back door, but yeah, for sure it's kosher. The meat of everything is kosher. Otherwise, this big rabbi would not go there. You understand? So that would create Hil Hashem, and plus maybe Jews are going to come. So it's got like a stumbling block in front of the blind. Big issue.
One of the things I was thinking about is also how would you know what you just said? How would you know whoever's coming in to visit, I don't know, is Jewish or not?
Yeah, no, but that's how I started. If you go to some neighborhood where no Jews live, okay, maybe they do not know who is the second partner, so that there is no problem then. I mean, it's not recommended, but would be allowed. I would say this. But on the other hand, like there's so many businesses. Why you want to do like so many businesses? Why you want to do something questionable? You understand? So it's not going to be blessing for sure. No blessings on this thing.
That was one of the things that I was going to get to. So if you're going to do this type of business, because I heard somebody that they wanted to do this type of business. If you're going to do this type of business, you just want to be an investor.
I would say invest in something else. I mean, if people would find out, so it could be they start from let's say meat restaurant, and then the chef is going to say, look, meat, let's do chicken parmesan or something, or veal parmesan. What's the problem? You understand? So he would one day it was started like this. You're investor, you're not there, and guess what? You start in your business, start cooking meat and milk together. Very simple. It's like slippery slope. Like if you're in control, maybe it's going to work, but you're trying not to be in control. You're trying to be behind the scenes, right? So that's not going to work so well for you.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.